Welcome! In front of me I have COROS Pace Pro and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. Unpairing could be useful if, for example, you want to connect your watch with a different device or account, or maybe you want to sell your watch to somebody or give it to somebody else. And basically anything that will require you to disconnect the watch from your phone and your account. Okay, so to unpair the watch, we need to open the COROS application. Actually, let me reopen it, like this. And usually you will see the progress page. Tap on Profile, tap on Pace Pro, and wait until the watch is done connecting with your phone. Sometimes you need to wake up the screen on it for it to connect. Once the watch is done connecting, we can tap on remove option right here at the bottom. Then tap on remove again. The watch will basically disappear from the application. It will reset itself to the factory default settings. And as you can see, we also need to go to Bluetooth settings. So let's close the app, open the Bluetooth settings. Here tap on Bluetooth. Then tap on the info icon next to COROS Pace Pro. Tap on forget this device and tap on forget device. And then we can close the settings. And that's how you unpair this watch from the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.